Is anyone there? Daisy? Daisy? Where are you? I think there is someone at the door. Go and see who it is. All right. There is no need to scream at me. I am not deaf. I can hear perfectly well. I am going. Good afternoon, sir. I was busy at the back of the house. I didn't hear you first. How can I help you? Good day, ma'am. I see from the sign over there that you serve meals. I have walked a long way and I'm very, very hungry. May I have something to eat? Ha! The sign. That lazy, good-for-nothing husband of mine can't even do a small job like that these days. Close? I am sorry. You can't have anything to eat. We are closed. And besides, we don't have any food left in the house. Good afternoon, sir. What's going on? This gentleman wants something to eat. I just informed him that we are closed and... What nonsense you're talking, Daisy. Sit down, sir. And sure, we can find you something to eat. We keep some cutlets at the back, so I can find you some eggs. My wife is a sweetheart, you know. She will be delighted to fry them for you. That would be wonderful. Madam, I see we had some bad luck. We were chased by pirates and then got lost in the storm. We ran out of food and water, and early this morning we made for land. It was very lucky that it chose to come this way. See what I have found. 4 lovely white eggs. You will be soon eating a delicious meal, dear sir. I will ask my wife to fry them for you. Thank you. Captain? Captain! Yes, what happened? I'm glad I have found you, sir. We must leave quickly, sir. Our lookout has spotted the pirate ship. Pirate ship? Heading straight for the bay where we are anchored. Oh no. But what about the eggs? I'm hungry. Never mind. Come on, let's go. Where is the captain? Where is he? Where is he? I think he's gone away. Never mind. We have not finished our breakfast yet. Yes. Come on, let's eat. I have the money for the eggs. In fact, see, if the eggs weren't fried, they would have hatched into chickens. The chickens would have laid more eggs. They would have hatched too. Over the years, we would have made at least 1,000 rupees. If you don't pay now, we will have you arrested. Yes, I'm afraid. If they make a complaint, you will have to come with me to the station. But why should I pay you so much money for 4 eggs? Don't argue with me. Pay or God sake. Wait a minute. I am a lawyer and I know the law. You can't send a man to jail without a trial. If you want to make a case against this gentleman, it should be done properly. Take him to the court and let the judge decide. Very well. We will make a complaint. We want justice. We shall get our money. He can sell his ship. He is rich. If you like, sir, I will come to the court tomorrow and defend you. Thank you, young man. Thank you. The judge usually gets to the court at 10 o'clock. I will see you there tomorrow. Now come with me, all of you. What a clever plan. We will soon be rich, Jane. Ha, ha, ha. Yes, indeed. The captain might even be locked up. The judge was so angry when the lawyer didn't show up at 10. Who is this guy anyway? I don't know, but probably we'll get even more money if the lawyer delays the judge any longer. Perhaps we'll get the captainship as well. Yes, yes, the judge may give you that too. I hope you won't forget your plans, this constable. Well, can't wait any longer. I have read the note on this case and I am going to make my judgment now. Please excuse me, Your Honor. I'm sorry to be so late. Young man, I was just about to find this dishonest captain and send him to jail. Oh, you must not do that, Your Honor. This man is honest. He is not a villain. That's for me to decide. Anyway, why are you so late? Well, Your Honor, you see, yesterday, after I met this honest captain, I went home. On my way, I bought some beans for my dinner. My wife cooked a delicious meal with the beans, but we had quite a lot left over. This morning, I decided not to waste the remaining beans and took them with me to the garden. I dug some holes and planted the beans. I then watered them. I was thinking so much about how the beans would grow into lovely plants that I quite forgot the time. This is why I'm late, Your Honor. Lies, lies, lies. All lies, Your Honor. This lawyer is a liar. How can he defend the captain? Madam, who asked you to speak and why do you call this man a liar? He is either a liar, Your Honor, or a complete fool. Cooked beans will not grow into plants. Exactly right, madam. A cooked bean cannot grow into a bean plant and a fried egg won't grow into a chicken. Well said, sir. The captain couldn't pay for his eggs because he was called away urgently. He was honest and returned after 5 years to pay you. Instead of being grateful and accepting his money, you are trying to cheat him. The lawyer is quite right. I am ordering the captain to pay you 4 rupees for the eggs. You, however, will have to pay the court fees of 10 rupees. That is my judgment. Thank you, wise young man. Thank you.